Hello everybody, I am Balamurugan Subramanian. My title paper is Reference Based Study on Soundtrack Sustainable Solutions Using Artificial Intelligence Techniques. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank SBI Technology for accepting my paper for this web conference. Abstract. Artificial intelligence has been used in applications to alleviate certain problems throughout industry and academia. AI, like electricity or computers, is a general purpose technology that has a multitude of applications. It has been used in fields of language translation, image recognition, credit scoring, e commerce, and other domains. Computer music is the application of computing technology in music composition to help human composers create new music or to have computers independently create music, such as with algorithmic composition programs. It includes the theory and application of new and existing computer software technologies and basic aspects of music, such as sound synthesis, digital signal processing, sound design, sonic diffusion, acoustics, electrical engineering, and psychoacoustics. The field of computer music can trace its roots back to the origins of electronic music and the first experiments and innovations with electronic instruments at the turn of the 20th century. In this paper, we will study how AI is applied for sustainable music solution. There is considerable activity in the field of computer music as researchers continue to pursue new and interesting computer-based synthesis, compositions, and performance approaches. Throughout the world, there are many organizations and institutions decided to the area of computer and electronic music study and research, including CCRMA, ICMA, C4DM, CEC, and a great number of institutions of higher learning around the world. Mission improvisation. Mission improvisation uses computer algorithms to create improvisation on existing music materials. This is usually done by sophisticated recombination of musical phrases extracted from existing music, either live or pre recorded. In order to achieve credible improvisation in particular style, machine improvisation uses machine learning and pattern matching algorithms to analyze existing musical examples. The resulting pattern are there then used to create new variations in the style of original music, developing a notion of stylistic re-injection. This is different from other improvisation methods with computers that use algorithmic compositions to generate new music without performing analysis of existing music examples. Conclusions of use of artificial intelligence. The use of artificial intelligence to generate new melodies and cover pre-existing music is a recent phenomenon that has been reported to disrupt the music industry. Demonstration of an algorithmically generated audio track featuring bossa nova music accompanied by electrical guitar created using diffusion, an open source fine tuned derivative of the stable diffusion image generation diffusion model that has been retrained to generate images of audio spectrograms, which can then be converted into audio files. Audio spectrogram is a visual representation of an audio clip's frequency content, and images of spectrograms can be converted into audio via short time Fourier transformer using the Griffin-Lim algorithm to approximate phase during audio reconstruction. While the stable diffusion AI model is originally intended to generate visual images from a textual prompt. Diffusion has been retained from stable diffusion to instead generate spectrogram images from text prompts describing musical motifs, fine tuned through the use of NVIDIA A10G Enterprise Data Center GPUs. Thank you all. Once again, I take this opportunity to thank SBI Technology for accepting my paper for this wonderful web conference. Thank you, friends.
Mr. Sai Saran, Design Engineer, Tech Magendra, Chennai. In view of his unforeseen difficulties, has requested SY Technologies staff member to present his paper on literature-based study on sustainable solutions using AI and ML in some societal applications. The abstract of the paper is talking about the sustainability definition in the abstract in his paper. In general, what he says, sustainability is understood as a form of ethics in which the environmental and economic actions taken by present persons who do not diminish the opportunities of future persons to enjoy the similar level of wealth and welfare, etc. In his introduction, Mr. Sai Saran says one of the first to express systems to help with financial plans was Plan Pavaram and client profiling system created by Applied Express Systems. It was launched in 1986. It helped create personal financial plans for people. In 1990s, artificial intelligence was applied to find fraud detection. 1993, FinCEN artificial intelligence system was launched. It was able to review over 200,000 transactions per week, and over 2 years it helped to identify 400 potential cases of money laundering equal to $1 billion. These express systems were later replaced by machine learning systems. In his paper, also he is speaking about how the artificial intelligence is used in the field of the agriculture, trading and investments. And also underwriting is another key area, auditing is another area, anti-money laundering. All these areas is talking about the utilization of artificial intelligence. In government systems also, military systems also, workplace health and safety, artificial intelligence is used. He has mentioned in his paper about all these with reference-based study. So, finally, he is also talking about artificial intelligence usage in legal analysis, law enforcement, and legal proceedings. Finally, in his paper, what he is really concluding is nothing but sustainability is not just environment oriented, but embedded in most of the definitions of sustainability. We also find concerns for social equity and economic development. In this paper, he is mentioning the applications of AI and ML as sustainable solutions in aforesaid special domain areas. Finally, the author is thanking Dr. Sridhar Sheshatri, ex-Vice Chancellor, for his continuous support.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sabrinathan D, currently working as a consultant professional service at Nimble Work. In this conference, I'll be presenting a lecture based study on healthcare sustainable solutions using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. In today's world, there are two different techniques which includes artificial neural networks and Bayesian networks used in the classifications of various diseases. It was found that ANN was better and could more accurately classify diabetes and CVD. Artificial intelligence and machine learning provide sustainable solutions for healthcare. Hence, I conclude the conference by highlighting the importance of implementation of artificial intelligence to not only help find similar cases and treatments but also factor in chief symptoms and help the physicians ask the most appropriate questions, help the patient receive the most accurate diagnosis and treatment possible using artificial intelligence and machine learning based solutions. So thank you for joining my presentation on healthcare sustainable solutions using AI and machine learning techniques. And I like to extend my thanks to SBI Technologies and my guide Dr. Sridhar Sheshatri. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I am Desam Sudhakar Reddy, author and creator of Audiovisual Representation of Chemistry, AVC. Today I am going to present an article entitled Artificial Intelligence Driven Progress, Applications, Drawbacks, and the Path to Sustainable Development Goals, a review based study. Introduction. Artificial intelligence or AI is rapidly evolving technology that is expected to significantly impact various sectors including workplace, education, and healthcare. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot to perform the tasks that typically require human intelligence such as reasoning, learning, and understanding. Examples of AI include digital assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Now, and Cortana. The Turing test proposed by Alan Turing is used to determine if AI can pass as a human by having a conversation with a person. AI aims to develop computers capable of performing tasks requiring human behavior with applications in health, space technology, transportation, agriculture, entertainment, using deep learning and reinforcement learning. Before going into the details, let's ponder on history of AI. AI, coined in 1956, is a 20th century computer science branch. Its early research focused on reasoning algorithms, followed by machine learning and neural networks in 1980s and 1990s. Alexa uses artificial intelligence to understand and process user commands. When asked about the best songs on Westlife album, Alexa responds with Flying Without Wings and Hello My Love as the most popular songs on Amazon Music. The user's voice is recorded and sent to Amazon Alexa voice services, which converts it into commands and sends the appropriate response back to the user's device. We often use Google for getting any information. Have you ever wondered how search engines work? Google utilizes AI technologies like machine learning, natural language processing to respond to user queries and provide relevant results. AI has a wide range of applications. AI in education can enhance student learning by creating personalized study plans, assessing academic performance, and providing quick feedback. But concerns include potential teacher replacement, increased power consumption, and job losses due to increased student technology usage. AI in agriculture is crucial for food security and feeding 10 billion people by 2050. However, the challenges like COVID 19, weather, pests, and wars have raised food prices and hunger. AI can monitor soil, prevent diseases, improve crop health, enhance productivity, and saves money and thereby achieves greater yields. Overall, it impacts the world's food supply security and sustainability. AI is being utilized in health sector to enhance health outcomes. Wearable technologies like smartwatches are transforming personal devices, improving fitness, mental health, and productivity. Medical AI developers are developing robotic surgery and automatic diagnostics, benefiting rural areas limited with healthcare workers. Google Brain has developed automated retinal disease assessment ARDA, an algorithm for early detection of diabetic retinopathy, common in diabetes people, using deep learning. Climate change is causing droughts and storms impacting social, economic, and environmental process. To eradicate pollution by 2050, adoption and resilience planning must be enhanced. AI can help collect and understand large data sets on carbon dioxide emissions and climate change, enabling targeted climate action. AI has demonstrated potential in various fields, including science, robotics, manufacturing, but legal and technical issues remain hindering its full potential in transformation. AI can contribute to SDGs like poverty reduction, health, education, gender equality, clean water, but ethics and potential negative effects must be considered by policymakers. AI powered spacecrafts are being used in space exploration, with ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, successfully landing Vikram lander on Moon using AI for guidance. The Chandrayaan 3 mission launched by ISRO uses AI to navigate lunar terrain, analyze soil, find problems, and transmit crucial information back to Earth. This marks the first time artificial intelligence and space exploration have been combined, and AI's ability to change things will become increasingly important in space exploration. Automation may lead to job losses and unfair economic conditions. AI can improve safety, robotics, and racial issues, but moral concerns still remain. AI has the potential to significantly impact global economy productivity and GDP, requiring strategic investments in various technologies. AI is predicted to create 97 million jobs in 26 countries by 2030, replacing 85 million jobs. Conclusion: AI can revolutionize education and job markets by analyzing data, but concerns about job loss persist. Collaboration between employers, educators, and policymakers is crucial to ensure workers have necessary skills for evolving job roles. I express my sincere gratitude to my mentors, Dr. Ramarao, former National Director, Dr. Sridhar Sheshadri, former Vice Chancellor, Dr. Vinay Kumar Nangia, Emeritus Professor, IIT Roorkee, Roberto Sarako, Dr. Badri Narayan Gopalkrishnan, Mr. Kasi Vishwanath, Dr. P. Srinivasrao, and my friend Dr. K. Sachindra Reddy, ophthalmologist, my family.
Warm greetings to all. I'm Sahana Sridhar, working as system engineer at TCS. Thank you SBI Technology for giving me this opportunity to present my paper in the topic reference based study on sustainable solutions in some sectors using AI and ML. To demonstrate this specific For disease diagnostics or classifications, there are two different techniques used in the classification of these diseases, including artificial neural networks and Bayesian networks. It was found that AN was better and could be more accurate classifying diabetics and CVD. Through the use of medical learning classifiers, artificial intelligence has been able to substantially aid doctors in patient diagnostics through the manipulation of mass electronic health records. Medical conditions have grown more complex, and with a vast history of electronic medical records building, the likelihood of case duplication is high. Although someone today with a rare illness is less likely to be the only person to have had a given disease. The inability to access the cases from similarly symptomatic origins is a major roadblock for physicians. The implementation of AI to not only help find similar cases and treatments, such as through early predictors of disease and dementia, but also factor in chief symptoms and help the physicians ask the most appropriate questions, helps the patient receive the most accurate diagnosis and treatment possible. This paper presents a literature based study on sustainable solutions in healthcare using AI and ML. A small introduction is that physics have been studying similar problems for years, utilizing microscopic elements and their interactions to extract macroscopic states of various physical systems. Physics inspired machine learning approaches can thus be applied to study the disease process and to perform biomarker analysis. To conclude my paper, the implementation of AI is to not only help find similar cases and treatments, such as through early predictors of Alzheimer's disease and dermatitis, but also factor in chief symptoms and help the physicians ask the most appropriate questions, helps the patient receive the most accurate diagnosis and treatment possible using AI and ML based solutions. Thank you.
Good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm Roshni Sauri Rajan, currently working as technology analyst at Infosys. In this conference, I'll be presenting a review study on sustainable solutions in special domains using AI ML. Sustainability improves the quality of our lives, protects our ecosystem, and preserves natural resources. Sustainability means meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So, in addition to natural resources, we would also need socio-economic resources. In most definitions of sustainability, we also find concerns for social equity and economic development. So, in this paper, we'll see applications of AI and ML in some special domain areas such as finance, government sector, trading and investment, cybersecurity, astronomy, archaeology, environmental monitoring, and early warning systems, thereby providing sustainable solutions. In addition to these domains, this paper gives an overview on law enforcement, auditing, and legal proceedings with a sustainable solution using AI and ML. I hereby conclude by saying that in almost all sectors, AI ML will be introduced in due course of time for ease of use, providing a livable planet and a sustainable future. Thank you all for your valuable time for joining my presentation. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Sridhar Seshadri for his never ending support and guidance. Thank you.
Revered preceptors, other participants who are participating in this web conference on 10th October on the special theme of the sustainable solutions using AI and ML for society. I am Dr. Sridhar Sheshatri before you to present my paper on literature-based notes on sustainable solutions in special domains using artificial intelligence and machine language. Abstract of my paper is as follows. Sustainability can be defined as the capacity to maintain or improve the state and availability of desirable materials or conditions over the long period. Sustainability can also be a long-term viability of a community, a set of social institutions, or social practice. In general, sustainability is understood as a form of intergenerational ethics in which the environmental and economic actions taken by present persons do not diminish the opportunities of future persons to enjoy similar levels of wealth, utility, or welfare. Sustainability means meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In addition to the natural resources, we also need social and economic resources. Sustainability is not just an environmental situation or embedded in most definitions of sustainability. We also find concerns for social equity and economic development. The keywords what I am using in my paper are sustainability, AIML, social equality, agriculture, and cyber security. This paper, what I am finally talking is something about the utilization of artificial intelligence, which is helping farmers identify areas that need irrigation, fertilization, and so on and so forth in the field of agriculture. In the field of cyber security, also machine learning, natural language processing to improve their systems. The applications of artificial intelligence in cyber security, they are including the network protection, endpoint protection, application security, and suspect user behavior. In the field of education also, AI is tutoring, allowing students to get one-to-one help. Nowadays, it is improved in the form of chat GPT also. In the field of finance also, no wonder artificial intelligence can be applied. So the details are given in my paper. Also in the domains of trading and investment, it is possible. Underwriting, it has a very, very great role. In auditing, it has a lot of meaning. Anti-money, also you can find out the usage of artificial intelligence. In government systems and also military systems, artificial intelligence, as well as in health care, all the social applicability of sustainable solutions are available by screening, ultrasound analysis, companion robots, medical record analysis, and so on and so forth. So all these details are presented in my paper. Apart from that, astronomy and space activities, they are also mentioned in my literature survey. So legal analysis is not left out in my paper. Law enforcement and legal proceedings can also be utilized by means of this artificial intelligence, including writing and reporting. So precisely what I conclude in my paper is nothing but Sustainability is meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. And in this paper, we have seen as applications of AI and ML sustainable solutions in some special domain areas. Gradually, in almost all the sectors, AI ML will be introduced in due course of time for ease of use. Thank you for allowing me to present my paper in this web conference. Have a great day.